Hi, I'm Dave Ruddle and I work for Gospel Technology as a pre-sales technical consultant. So I'm going to talk a little bit about the secure data platform that we sell and we provide from Gospel. So notice I talk about secure data. So what we're allowing is for people to get the right access to a single source of the data. So what that can give you is trust. So I can trust that I can share my information with people within my business, people outside of my business, and I can trust that I know that they can only access what they're allowed to see, and also I'm going to log everything they see. So all access to that information is recorded, all write and reads are recorded of that information. So from a compliance perspective, it makes it very, very simple to work out who's accessing your data and are they doing it in the correct way. So our secure data platform basically does not replace existing systems you've got, because people will have spent millions of pounds on SAP and other type application deployments. So we slot in underneath as a secure data layer. So that means we can simplify the way that you access that data from multiple sources into your applications. So we can sit across multiple instances of different types of applications, present that data up using our software development kits, our SDKs, and industry standard API type information, so that we can present that data up to those applications in the way that they would expect to see it, so you don't have to redevelop your application to use Gospel. Again, it keeps it nice and simple, and that's an underlying theme of everything we do. What we want to make sure is that when people try and access that data, if they're outside of your company, you're not going to send a copy of some data to them, regardless of if you've got some sort of a legal contract agreement with them. Once that data's left your company perimeter, potentially it's out of your control. So if you expose the right types of data from a single source of the truth to people outside of the company that need to see it, then you can guarantee that when people look at that data, they're only accessing what they need to see, potentially for the time they need to see it. So for example, if you've got a customer services help desk, you might give the customer services operator access to the account or the personal information of the person they're talking to for the duration of the call. As soon as that call's dropped, they lose access to it. So you're controlling access to that personal data, and in effect one of the other outcomes of that is you're reducing the attack surface for somebody who's trying to unlawfully access your data, because you're only exposing one record for a short amount of time, rather than giving that customer services operative access to all the customer records all of the time. So it can help underpin security, give you that trusted access, and integrate into your existing applications environment all in one go, keeping everything nice and simple.